crafty friends, I just wanted to pop on for a second and talk about my latest journal. So this journal is of the sewing theme, and I have created this beautiful lady with the dress, and she's going to kind of be like a bookmark in there. And then the cover of this is made from fabric, pretty greens. It just really reminds me of spring and summer, which I'm looking forward to. And this kit is actually called the Seamstress kit, and it is from That's Just Penny's Etsy shop online, and I just love the collection because it has lots of tuck spots and things like that. The envelopes, I made these mini envelopes and little notes that pocket here. This is a part of her kit, and I added in some coffee dyed pages as well, and I added in some part of a pattern that I have, one of the very old pattern. Again, this is part of the collection. The pattern and the coffee dyed paper is not a part of the collection. Download. I just wanted to make that mention. This page is in there. This doily dress was something that I made extra to add in. Add a little bit of lace there. Some more different pages. This page is one of the pages from her kit, and I didn't use all of the pages from the kit because I did intermix it with some coffee dyed pages as well. This tuck is in there, and the tuck, there's another journaling card. I made a mini file folder, decorated it, and then added the paper clip. It's a hanger paper clip. I'm just super excited about this journal. It was a lot of fun to put together, and the kit had some really gorgeous pages to it that I absolutely loved. Some journaling cards that are just beautiful. Love the color. This as well. I made this, it's a cut file that I created and made, and this is actually dryer sheet and then some washi along the side. This is a very nice page. Love the scissors, the ladies. So yeah, I'm hoping that the person that receives this will thoroughly enjoy it, because I've enjoyed putting it together. Love that card. Beautiful. So there's lots of tucks in here. Paper clip, decorative paper clips, mini file folders, mini envelopes. This is writing paper that she has in a different collection. It's kind of a pink color, but it's a different collection that this is in. But it's also available under the writing pages on her Etsy shop as well. Another decorative paper clip with the dress. And then this is So this is my sewing journal, and I like it, and I hope that the person that I created it for likes it as well. And then in the very, very back, there's been a buzz online with people making prayer pockets, and I took this and I turned it into a prayer pocket with a little bit of seamstress on here, love, and I put some of the journaling cards on here. Just love it.